Good morning. It's Monday, October 23rd, 2023, and I'm Jared Hall, financial advisor and partner at Harvest Investment Strategies. This is the week ahead, where every Monday we update our clients and network with a weekly video on what could be impacting financial markets during the week. Before touching on the events of this week, let's unpack last week's market reactions. The S&P 500 index fell 2.4% last week, fueled by two main events. On Thursday of last week, the U.S. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell raised investors' concerns about rate policy with his comments in his last public appearance before the rate meeting is set for November the 1st. Powell's comments spooked the markets, saying that central bank's policy setting committee may have to increase its policy rate more if the economy persistently grows at above trend rates or labor market conditions don't continue to soften, although the committee will be proceeding carefully depending on that data. Powell's comments came in contrast with other Fed presidents who in prior weeks said that given the recent ramp up in treasury yields, the rest of the Federal Reserve's work may have been handled for them by normal market movements. Secondly, and impacting the market's downward move last week, were the disappointment in earnings by a major electric vehicle producer in the U.S., compounding concerns about corporate profit growth in the midst of an uncertain economic landscape. Despite the turbulence in rates, some analysts are speculating that things are not all bad, noting job growth is resilient even while the economy has slowed significantly. And consumer and business confidence indexes are strong. Lastly, the retail sales report from last week came in stronger than expected, meaning consumers are somehow weathering the slowdown. The repricing of financial markets is just part of the painful adjustment of the markets finally understanding that interest rates will be higher for longer. This week, the market will analyze more companies' earnings as the largest members of the S&P 500 index are set to release their quarterly results. And then we have a back-end loaded week of economic data, chief among which is the first read on third quarter GDP due out Thursday and ending with September's personal income and spending report on Friday. That's all for this week. If you have any questions or need help understanding some of the topics we discuss in these weekly videos, please reach out to us. Our team wants to be your resource in furthering your financial education. Thanks and have a great week.